Hi everyone, currently I am at Murray Street Mall. I am on my way to the Perth Underground station that is going to head to Fremantle area. Are you a fan of Lululemon? There is one big store here. There is live performance in the background. Do you like to listen to live performances? Okay, now I am heading to Perth Underground. 去曼都拉也是可以啊。Okay. The train station here is quite clean. 没有，到今晚的11点多。他觉得交通嘅咯。Lots and lots of walking around. I think it's quite good to keep fit. I bought the dayrider pass, so it is unlimited for the whole day. The option is to get the zone 1 or zone 2 pass, which I do not really understand how it works. We are now at the Perth Underground station and the train is arriving here at this point of time. One thing I noticed about the Perth train is that it is quite clean and everyone is quite orderly when they get into the train. I am waiting for the train to go to Fremantle. Don't waste your battery. 这个很多站的，你看楼上。The train is finally here. Let's check it out what it looks like inside.
This is City West.
You have to go down. You can't stay on the train by yourself.
Platform 3, leaving in 6 minutes.
Attention, your next service departs from platform 3. Again, your next service.
Now arrived at Fremantle, Perth. 有個 market 在這邊可以去看 somewhere 落下去找seagull 的聲音不懂我是沙老來
這個角色可以用，可以租。
Of course cannot.
Your next service from
So
platform
what are the
3
things you can
departs
do
in
at
5
Fremantle
minutes.
that I can
This
think of?
service stops all
Visiting
stations
the
in
Fremantle prison, the Fremantle market, as well as Gage Road. They serve fresh beer and then good fish and chips. Alright, check out the next video for the tour around here. 去这边看一下吧，有什么 destination